Alright, this is a little project I have right now. The window seal here on this back side window, or just the dinette side window, there's flex in the camper, and as many times as I have tried and as many different caulks as I've tried, it just never seems to quite seal. So there's a little bit of water intrusion from this area here, and the culprit is the mount for the awning on top blocks the gutter rail up there. So there's water accumulation that happens and it overflows the gutter, and this is right where that overflow takes place. And so the water flows down the window, and there's a little bit, it comes in through the edging of the window here, and then there's a little bit of a water accumulation that happens inside the camper. So what I'm going to do is, I had a similar problem on this side, and I took this aluminum channel here. It's a 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and I put it over the lower compartment door here. And I used to have a water problem down in this area here, and with this little rail across the top, it deflects the water, and no more problem with water intrusion into the woodwork, the frame of the camper. So that's under control. I'm going to use the same technique on the other side now. Alright, so I have cut my 1.5 inch aluminum angle, and what I'm going to do is I cut it 7 inches long to either side of the window, and it is going to mount like this, about 1/2 inch or so above the window. So I'm going to level it, and that should divert all the water that I've been having trouble with. And then what I'm going to do is put some DICOR caulk between the aluminum and the Phylon siding, or I guess it's a fiberglass sheet, but called Phylon. So that's the next step. Okay, so we are all connected up here. I had to disconnect this to make room for getting access to it, so we'll just pop that and see. Oh, there we go. There. So, let's see, I've got about 1/4 inch of clearance here. You can see that there's a little bit of a downward slope away from the camper on top of the rail, and I've got about 1/2 inch of gap between the window and the rail, the gutter, if I need to get to it. I have a stainless steel screw every 6 inches, except for in a couple of parts where I thought there could have been wiring or issues. So yeah, that will keep the water from coming in anymore. There's the gutter here, but that's the gutter, and that is the point that is the upper mount for the awning that kind of causes a dam, and there's no way to fix that because it's in the gutter. Not really very good placement. So water always streamed down through here, right over the edge of the window. And so try as I might, there was always an issue. And then tried to caulk this here too, but again, that might have just been an incurable issue. So now I have that drip rail over the window, and that should direct water away from any intrusion points on the truck camper. So we're good to go here. And I used the DICOR caulk on it, and it's gonna hopefully solve the problem. And cleanup was with paper towels and paint thinner. So everything is looking real nice and fine.